Welcome to Med in 5. The goal of our channel is to simplify medical concepts and help you understand them at breakneck speed. This episode dissects the cell, the basic unit of life. Try these cues before we start. Where is most of the cell's DNA stored? Which structure helps move materials inside the cell? Which organelle stores proteins, waste, and nutrients for later transport? Let's start. The cell is the smallest unit of life, capable of maintaining structure, using energy, and responding to its environment. In humans, trillions of specialized cells work together, forming tissues, organs, and systems that support complex functions. Each cell contains parts that carry out specific roles. The cell or plasma membrane forms the outer boundary of the cell. It's made of a phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins and cholesterol. Its function is to act as a selective barrier. Small nonpolar molecules like oxygen and carbon dioxide diffuse freely. Water passes through special openings called aquaporins. Ions move via ion channels. The cell membrane is also pivotal in cell-to-cell communication. Inside, the cytoplasm fills the space between the membrane and the nucleus. It's a gel-like matrix composed mainly of water, enzymes, and proteins. Many metabolic reactions occur in the cytoplasm, and it suspends the organelles, which are cell structures with specific functions. Occasionally scattered within the cytoplasm are inclusion bodies, which are non-essential, temporary structures. They're made of stored materials like lipids, glycogen, or pigments. The nucleus, usually located centrally, is enclosed by a double-membraned nuclear envelope. It contains most of the cell's DNA, which controls gene expression. Within the nucleus is chromatin, a molecular complex made of DNA and proteins called histones. Euchromatin is loosely packed and transcriptionally active, while heterochromatin is tightly packed and inactive. Also inside the nucleus is the nucleolus, a dense region made of RNA and proteins. It makes ribosomal RNA and helps assemble ribosomes. Ribosomes, composed of ribosomal RNA and proteins, are found either free in the cytoplasm or bound to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Free ribosomes synthesize cytosolic proteins, while bound ribosomes produce proteins for secretion or membranes. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is located near the nucleus and appears rough due to attached ribosomes. It's made of membranous sacs and produces proteins for export or for use in cell membranes. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum doesn't have ribosomes, but is also composed of membranous tubules. It has many functions, including making lipids and steroids and detoxifying drugs. The sarcoplasmic reticulum in muscles stores calcium when at rest. The Golgi apparatus, typically near the RER, consists of stacked membrane-bound sacs. It modifies, sorts, and packages proteins received from the RER, sending them to the cell membrane, lysosomes, or outside the cell via vesicles. Vesicles are small membrane-bound sacs in the cytoplasm. Made of lipid bilayers, they transport and store proteins, nutrients, and waste, moving along the cytoskeleton via motor proteins. Lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles filled with digestive enzymes located in the cytoplasm. They break down waste, pathogens, and old organelles. In some cells, lysosomes help destroy engulfed bacteria. Peroxisomes are small membrane-bound organelles with enzymes that break down fats and remove toxins. They use hydrogen peroxide to neutralize harmful molecules called reactive oxygen species, which arise from various cellular processes. The mitochondria are double-membraned organelles found throughout the cytoplasm. Their inner membrane forms cristae, where adenosine triphosphate, the cell's energy molecule, is produced. Mitochondria also contain their own DNA. The cytoskeleton, spread throughout the cytoplasm, is made of microtubules, actin filaments, and intermediate filaments. It provides structure, enables intracellular transport, and supports cell movement. Near the nucleus lies the centrosome, containing centrioles made of microtubules. It forms the mitotic spindle during cell division. Cell surface specializations extend from the membrane. Cilia move fluid across surfaces. Flagella enable cell movement. Microvilli increase surface area for absorption. That's the cell in a nutshell. We'll explore the organelles further in other episodes. Let's review. Where is most of the cell's DNA stored? Answer: in the nucleus. Which structure helps move materials inside the cell? Answer: cytoskeleton. Which organelle stores proteins, waste, and nutrients for later transport? Answer: vesicle. No errors. Surreal. If you found this clip useful, tap like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Med in 5.